guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see another healthy recipe, that is mutton and cabbage. Here I have taken one small bowl of cabbage finely chopped with some dill leaves, half a kg mutton, one finely chopped onion, one finely chopped tomato, ginger garlic paste, oil and dry powders, that is salt, turmeric, half a spoon of chili powder and half a spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Here I have added a reference picture of dill leaves which we had chopped earlier. Now in a cooker, add the oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions and fry well. Now add the ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell is gone. Next we will add the mutton and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add all the dry powders and mix it well and again cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes and cook well. You can see the mutton and other masalas have released water, but add some more water and cover the cooker for 4 to 5 whistles. Once the pressure of the cooker is cooled, you can check if mutton is cooked and add the chopped cabbage and dill leaves. Now mix it well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it releases the water on its own. After 2 to 3 minutes, the cabbage would look like this, little soft and moist. Now cover the cooker once again and give one whistle. After a whistle, cabbage would have cooked well, but water would be remaining. So dry out the water completely. Now you can see the water is getting dried and the masala is getting coated well to the mutton and cabbage. So dry the water for some more time till it gets crispy. Now you can see the water is completely dried out. So our healthy mutton and cabbage is ready. You can serve this with chapati or even rice. It would taste delicious. So do try this out guys. You will definitely like the taste. And as always, do not forget to comment your feedbacks below.